Hello my love, this is my Justin Bips. Welcome back to my channel. I'm now heading to Dior Beauty Greenbelt for a facial. So they will pamper me. And this is my GC. So let's see if I could film inside. Okay, see you later. I'll let you know. This is Julie, the one who will do the facial on me. Ang cute ng uniform niyo!
Yes!
Ang cute!
Maybe.
O, diba? Yan. Okay, surely dear. While waiting, so this is the gift certificate gifted to me by my former SA in Dior Beauty. Yeah, si Gina. Unfortunately, Gina is not connected anymore to JAR, but later on, you will know kung nasan na si Gina, babes. Yan. So, this one, the Dior Personalized Skincare Consultation. So, yan yung facial for 30 minutes, pero I think 45 minutes daw to yan. Yan. Thank you so much again, Dior Beauty, and thanks to Gina. Oh, ayan na, Miss Juvie. Okay. Yan, so this is it. So we will not film the procedure. So, hindi kasi pwede. Kasi it's a signature. But you can see, at least pinayagan ako mag-film sa room. Yan lang, para you will know what's the look of your facial room. Okay, let's start na, dear, yes, no? Ayan, nakatawal ng lola mo. Ready na. Okay. Dior. O, ayan, ihiga ng lola nyo. Ang taas lang ng bed, no?
Mataas ba, ma'am?
Okay lang, ang taas.
Sige, ma'am.
So, mag-start na kami. But sorry, my loves, my Joseph. Kasi hindi natin
Okay naman ba naman?
Ayan, hindi natin ma-film yung procedure. Okay. See you later.
Capture Total Hyalus shot. Inspired by dermatology procedure. Yung mga nagpapa-filler, ma'am. Ito, no need ka na magpa-filler, ma'am.
Capture Total?
Yes. Equivalent ng 3 session ka nagpa-filler, isang tube lang na natin.
Magkano yung ganyan?
6,300.
Not bad. Hindi masyadong,
Even dito, ma'am, pwede mo rin siya kaya, di ba, yung left na yan, pwede mo siya dito. Tapos yung forehead, di ba, usually nagpapay na, dyan, ma'am, lines. Yeah.
Nice.
Hindi mo naman
So, we're done na. So, lalagyan ako ng Dream Skin. My favorite skincare. Kasi moisturizer siya. At the same time, tinted kasi siya. So, parang ka na rin naka-foundation. Yan. That's the Dream Skin. Which is so nice. Super nice yan. Last step, sunscreen. Pati pa may massage pa rin. So, Jor Beauty Facial is more massage. No equipment, no pricking, just massage. For blood relaxing. For relaxing blood circulation. Yan. Hindi pa pala kami tapos. Mayroon pang massage sa head. Yan.
Para magising, ma'am.
Magising ang kalamnan.
Yeah.
Kasi na-relax ako eh. Thank you! So I'm done now with my facial. My love is my Jasipers. I really love it because it's so relaxing. And I love all the products applied on my face. I'll show you all the products applied on my face. Okay? This is the
cleanser. And then after the cleanser, ma'am, use this lotion.
Yes, okay.
Lotion. And then I use then the serum.
Okay.
And then for your eye serum, I use this one.
Alright.
Eye serum. Comes with
ay, ang cute nyo.
Yes, massage.
Ay, nice yan.
And then after that, ma'am, I use the moisturizing cream.
Oh my God. And my favorite.
Your favorite next.
Yeah, my favorite. Dream Skin. Yeah, it's a must-have. This one. Ang liit na nga, no?
Yes. Actually, we have 3 size naman. 30, 50, and 70.
Magkano yung 30?
Yung 30. Ayun yung sabi ko pala sa ito.
Ay, ito yung 9,000.
Yes.
Ito na yung ano.
3 size.
Ayan. Ito yung how much to?
For that, 6,800, 9,050, and then 11,600.
Okay. What I love about the facial technique or the strokes the strokes of Jor Beauty Facial, it's more on massage sila. No pricking, no equipment. And I love the room, I love the linens, I love the robe, I love the towels. So luxurious talaga siya because it's Jor Beauty. All the materials came from Paris. Yeah, even the cloth, the linens, everything. They are all from Paris. And look at my skin. And look at my skin. My love is my Jasipers. Oh, ayan ha. Dream Skin lang yan. So, it's a must talaga to buy the Dream Skin. It's a moisturizer but it's tinted. So nice, diba? So, what are you waiting for? You better come here at Jor Beauty. Ayan. Oh, diba? Nice. So, yeah. So, and for you to be able to avail the free facial, you will only purchase worth 18,000 of skincare, makeup, and fragrance. Yes. So, yun. Dati 28,000 eh. Ngayon, 18,000. Yan. So, kaya, my former SA, Gina, in Jor Beauty SM Ara, gave me the GC. Yeah. More than nga yung sa akin. That pala 2 separate receipts. Kasi someone asked me to purchase something. So, under my name. So, if you want, you can also let me purchase your skincare. Why not, diba? Or your makeup and fragrances. Yeah. And I can book it under your name. Yes. Yeah, diba? And you look for Juvie here at Jor Beauty Greenbelt. And you can also purchase at Jor Beauty Aura and look for Liren. Okay? So, till next time, I love you, my Chelsea. Hope you enjoy this mini vlog. And this is my birth month. This month is my birth month. So, I'll be featuring products, foods, and some items that are my favorites. So, stay tuned for that, my love is my Chelsea Pips. Until next time, love you.